Welcome to Wednesday Web Chat. This is Carl Lewis, your host from Vision 33, and we're continuing our series about Crystal Reports Designer this week. And this week's topic is a very important one. It's about formatting your report. Now, I know that as we've gone through several weeks and several examples of reports that we can create in Crystal Reports Designer, that we've done some formatting with each one of them. But we want to talk a little bit more specifically about the topic today and hopefully reveal some new formatting things that you can do in today's demonstration. So first, let's go through a few slides that just talk about some of the basics of formatting your report. So typically, you're going to use the section expert to make formatting changes that affect the entire section of your report. Now, one thing I want to be sure to show you today is how to suppress the details in a report so that we can activate the drill down function. And we will use the section expert to do that when we get to that stage at the very end of today's demonstration. You use the insert button to insert a whole new report section immediately below and of the same type as the section you've selected, right? So if you highlight a section and click insert, you get another one. So it's a way to add another section to the report for various purposes. You can delete an entire section of a report if you want to as well. And there is the ability to actually merge two sections together, although my use of that has typically developed a mess that I have to clean up. So I'm not real fond of that. You'll also notice that there are tabs on the right half of the section expert about common settings, paging, and color. And we probably will use the paging tab today for sure. Some of the things that you can do once you get into the section expert that are really important here are hide, which means that drill down is okay. So I use this option to create a summary report when applied to the details area in a grouped report. Suppress means that I don't want to allow drill down. I want to hide that section completely, right? And if I want to print something at the bottom of the page, like a whole section, and I always want it at the bottom, I can use that option. I can choose to keep it together on the same page, a section. I can suppress a section if it's blank, meaning it just doesn't take